Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadroid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix auto rotate is not working on your S23 Ultra and all these series and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about you have to do a simple restart on your device. That is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix this up. So a restart is what you have to do. So to do a restart, we just need to do like this. We have to press the power button over here. There is a power button and the volume button over here, volume down button. So let me press these two. So this is the volume button over here. So this is the power button. So I'm going to press both these two all together at the same time. So I'm going to press and hold. Now I'm getting this option. There is an option called restart. So just go for a restart. After the restart is done, check whether the issue is solved or not. This is what you have to do as the first step. After trying with this, if you're still having the issue, you can try with the next one. That is all about if any apps are running in the background, you have to close it. For example, if anything's, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background. So all these things are one of the main reasons why we are having the issue. So we need to throw it away. All the things can be thrown, and what you need to do is we just need to remove everything. Once afterwards, make sure whether the issue is solved or still it is there. Then you can move to the third step. Third step is all about we need to update the software. That is what you have to do. So just very simple. We just need to go over here, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi. Once after that, just go to settings. Now from here it is very easy to update the software. You can go over here in the software update and you can check for the software update and all. You can just update your software. After the software update is done, you can try requesting for the latest one. If any kind of softwares are there, you need to update it, because sometimes if you're in the very lower version of software, you will be definitely having the issue. So right now this is getting downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this up. You can just update your software from here. And once after the software is successfully updated, just try launching the game and see whether the issue is solved or not. Last one is all about nothing but we have to do a factory reset on your Samsung. Then to do this, we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to about phone. Now from here, we just need to scroll down and navigate to reset option. Keep scrolling down. There is an option called reset. Tap on this one. There is an option called factory data reset. Tap on this, and you have to keep in mind you'll be losing all the things. So it is very important. So as it is written, when you are doing the factory reset, this will erase all the data including first downloaded apps. So you have to keep in mind this. You have to take a backup if it's necessary. Once afterwards, check. Most probably these steps will be completely helping guys out. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.